Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're in the event properties in computer management and you're receiving the event error code 3036 and the content source cannot be accessed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to just tell you guys about is going to be a fix-it tool provided from Microsoft in the description of my video. I want you guys to go check it out first if you're on Windows 7. Attempt to run this fix-it utility and see if it is able to resolve your problem. So again, it's going to be in the description of my video. It's a Microsoft hosted file, so it's completely safe. So once you've run that, it hopefully should resolve the problem, and then restart your computer. If you're still experiencing a problem, another thing we can go ahead and try would be to open up the start menu. Left click on the start button one time to do that. Type in control panel. Best match should come back with control panel. Left click on that. Now you want to see your view by your large icons and then select indexing options. So we'll just left click on indexing options there. Left click on where it says modify. So even if it doesn't show it on my end, if you saw something that said offline files, you just would want to uncheck it up here. And once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and left click on the OK button. Left click on the advanced option now. Underneath troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index, left click on the rebuild button. You will get a pop-up here saying that rebuilding this index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Left click on OK. This will take some time to run, so you just want to be patient. And I'm not going to actually wait out because it could actually take about 15 to 20 minutes, but it's a pretty automated process from here. Once it's done, I would suggest just closing out of everything and restarting your computer. I would also not recommend doing anything on your computer while this indexing is running. So just close out of and save any open documents or applications you may have, close out of them, and then run this indexing tool. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.